Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSEX remained flat again today, marginally gaining 7.00 points or 0.14% and settled at 5,143 points. Market turnover was 3.60 billion Bangladeshi takas, which is an increase of 12.49% compared to the previous trading day. Grameen Fund from the telecommunications sector, Midland Bank, Islami Bank and Al Arafa Islami Bank from the banking sector, and Khan Brothers PP Woven Bag Industries and Oftab Automobiles from the industrial sector mainly pulled up the market today, while British American Tobacco and Olympic Industries from the food and allied sector, Square Pharmaceuticals and Renata from the pharmaceuticals and chemicals sector, and Power Grid Company and MJL Bangladesh from the fuel and power sector mainly dragged the market down today, keeping it flat. In terms of sector-wise return, the telecommunications sector posted the highest gain of 0.71%, while the IT sector registered the second highest gain of 0.67%. On the other hand, the NBFI sector posted the highest loss of 1.50%. 5 textile and 2 IT companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Stylecraft Limited, Information Services Network, and Softco Spinnings Mills registered the highest gain, while National Feed Mill, Premier Leasing and Finance, and First Finance were the top losers today. National Feed Mill share price saw a sharp decline today following its corporate declaration, where the company reported a negative 3,650% EPS growth for the year 2024. Additionally, the company's recommendation of no dividend for the year likely intensified the sell-off, contributing to the significant drop in share price. There is no publicly disclosed price-sensitive information for the price change of the remaining stocks. The trading volume of jute spinners, Eastern Bank and Atlas Bangladesh increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. Atlas Bangladesh's trading volume surged significantly, driven by the recent MOA with Runner Trade Park to establish the Atlas Runner helmet plant, marking its entry into motorcycle helmet manufacturing. This development likely fueled investor optimism, contributing to the heightened trading activity. There is no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Top 2 news today: Bangladesh's banking sector is grappling with a deepening liquidity crisis as rising deposit rates and central bank measures fail to ease the strain. Rampant non-performing loans, slow deposit growth, poor loan recovery, and shaken public trust, particularly in Sharia-based banks, have compounded the issue. Central bank-backed interbank borrowing mechanisms have proven ineffective, driving interbank interest rates to record highs, with 90-day loans hitting 13.50% and call money rates averaging 10.04%. Experts point to asset-liability mismatches and distressed loans locking up funds, further exacerbated by suspected capital outflows and hidden reserves outside the banking system. The interim government plans to push ministries to fast-track development projects to counter economic challenges, said planning advisor Professor Wahiduddin Mahmood after an ECNEC meeting led by Chief Advisor Mohammed Yunus. With the economy strained by political unrest, labor strikes, high loan costs and stubborn inflation, Mahmood stressed shifting focus to swift project execution. Following reports of a 14-year low in development spending during July to October, the government aims to move beyond project selection and corruption control to prioritize completing ongoing initiatives within the fiscal year. That's all for today. Thank you.